Ah,
Why haven't you got it to the top yet?
Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about consistency, right? So it's a challenge that we all can have at some point in building our business. And the crazy thing about it is our business's growth determines how consistent we are in specific activities. And so if we're not consistent, it's like we're planting seeds in the ground, right? But we're not consistently nurturing the seeds. And when we stop nurturing the seeds, it's like we're digging it up out the ground and throwing it, then expecting that seed to actually grow and to produce fruit, right? So I totally understand if you're like, look, I really have some big goals and dreams, and I know the activity that I actually should be doing on a daily basis, but it's like I start and I stop and I start and I stop, right? I don't know, this may or may not be you, but it was me when I first started, right, being a business owner. And I had some activities that I knew I had to do every single day that I was told, look, Vanessa, you need to go out there and you need to meet 10 new people per day. And like, it was tough for me. Like, I had that goal, but for some reason I couldn't stay consistent for a long period of time, right? So what I started to do was put my vision all around me. I made like a vision room, not a vision board, but like I actually put pictures of everywhere that I wanted to go. Why was I doing the activity? If I wanted a specific car or a apartment to live in, I literally went and drove to the car dealership, or I went to go drive to go actually test out that apartment and experience it. So my belief grew and my desire even grew greater, and it would help me do the activity. At the end of the day, we have to hold ourselves accountable, right? And be disciplined in the activity. So start with the daily different things so you start to get those wins every single day, not necessarily looking at the results when you're first doing it, right? But focus on the activity of you actually going ahead to do it. And little by little, that can increase. As you do this consistently enough, you're gonna fail sometimes and then you have to start back up, but you're gonna start to build the skill, I don't know if it's a skill set or the muscle, right, of discipline, of being consistent with specific activity, right? Or you could just put yourself in a position where you have no other choice. That'll make you consistent too. Consistency will be like,
Why haven't you got it to the top yet?
Okay, we're gonna try again. Okay. And then you stop for a couple months because it's the holiday season and I'm gonna take a pause from my business. I'll start back up in January 2020. All right, I'm ready. People are ready. It's a new year, 2020. Let's do it again. I got rejected like 10 times this month. I go into my depressed state. I stop my activity and I go back, right? All right, I gain the momentum back up. Come on, and then I push through. I'm realizing these different things, and I'm like, I'm just gonna push through. I'm getting rejected. Clients are canceling. Clients didn't pay. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm getting no's. I'm gonna push through. Make it happen. Push through. Things are gonna come. Stay consistent. Know they're coming, and just push right through them.